Hey, Bob Carr here with another episode of the Bob Carr Show. Returning to the studio today is Mr. Ben from Sunset Gardens. Ben, how are you, sir?
I'm doing great. How are you doing, Bob?
Doing fantastic. So what's happening up at the garden center?
Well, right now we're full swing into fall. We're doing mums and pumpkins for the season, getting ready for Halloween. We have a great display of pumpkins and mums right now. We're also getting into some fall produce, apples.
Is that something new? Apples?
Apples, we've been doing those every year,
Okay.
but they, as the season goes on, we get new varieties coming in, and they are local.
You got pumpkins, you got mums. What about hay, straw bales, I should say? You got all the accessories there and corn stalks?
Yeah, we have some corn stalks. We have some straw bales in two different sizes.
So you have everything to make up a whole
Everything
outdoor...
to make your front porch look miraculous for the season.
Gotcha.
For the holiday. We have small pumpkins all the way up to large pumpkins. We have pansies to put in and help spruce up the front.
Gotcha.
We do have mums as well.
Oh, that's beautiful. That is beautiful.
To liven up as well.
Gotcha. Yeah, that's a nice full plant there. I know when I drove past the other day, you had hundreds of them out there.
Yes, and we'll be getting plenty more in as well. We always have a full stock of mums and pansies ready for the fall season.
I also noticed up there, my wife noticed you had a lot of different gourds, different type of pumpkins. Some of them look kind of different.
Yeah, no, I totally forgot to bring some in to show you today, but they are really unique. Definitely different sizes, different designs.
Because she cleans them up and puts them inside and makes centerpieces out of them.
Yeah, no, they're great for making centerpieces. They last a long time too, especially inside. And you can have them up till next summer.
Hey, Ben, you going to have firewood again this fall?
Yes, absolutely. We have plenty of it in stock now, ready to go. We've been selling quite a bit recently with the cooler weather, and we'll be getting in plenty more that is ready for people to enjoy outside around the fire pit. Are you going to be doing fall cleanups this year with irrigation?
Oh, yeah. We're doing a lot of winterizations. We got to get people ready for the winter because there's going to have some cold weather coming up. Back to the firewood. Are you guys going to be doing deliveries?
Yes,
we get asked that all the time. Hey, you think Ben will deliver some firewood to us? The guy up the corner from you? And I was like, sure he will. And then I started thinking about it. I better ask you about that.
Yeah, absolutely. We have a truck dedicated to doing just deliveries.
Gotcha.
So we can deliver anywhere people need it. They just need to give us a call, and we can let them know how much it would be and when we can get it to them.
How do they get a hold of you? What's the number up at your stand?
Number up at the stand is 410-721-5531.
5531. Okay.
We're open every day from 8 to 6.
Wow, you guys put some hours in.
Yeah, it's a lot of time.
And then you get Christmas coming up right on the heels of Halloween, don't you?
Yep, soon as we're done with Halloween here in the month of October, we're wrapping things up and getting ready for Christmas and wreaths and the holiday season and light decorations. And
wow, you're going to be busy.
Yes, it's a busy time of year.
So Ben and his group of Sunset Gardens is located right here in Crofton at the intersection of 424 and 450, for folks that don't know. But for all your outdoor Halloween needs, Thanksgiving needs, Ben and his group will take care of you. They're up there 6 days a week. 6 or 7 days?
7 days a week.
7 days a week. Stand corrected. 7 days a week. Ben and his guys and gals will take care of you. Appreciate you coming in. But again, let folks know how they can get a hold of you and your folks up at the corner.
Again, we can be reached anytime at 410-721-5531, or you can check us out on Facebook or Instagram.
Thanks, Ben, for coming in. I always enjoy when you come in and spend some time with us.
Thank you for having me, Bob. It's always a pleasure.
And this wraps up another episode of the Bob Carr Show. Stay tuned next week for another episode.